Hello everyone, and I'm going to talk about one of the main facility that have been provided by the Angular framework, which is one-way data binding. So, one-way data binding refers to the flow of data from the component class to the template, which is the view, or vice versa. There are two types of one-day data binding we can achieve in the Angular, which is interpolation and the property binding. So first of all, I'll explain what is happening in the interpolation. Interpolation is a way to bind the data from the component to the template. So I'll explain it in the code level example. So here is our code, and app.component is the component that we are in. So this is the component class. So I'll create a variable. So this variable name, type of string, and I'll assign a value, checking interpolation. Okay, now interpolation means we are accessing this value inside our template, which is that HTML file. So for that, let's create a tag. Okay, inside this tag we can access that value by putting inside two curly braces. Okay, inside that value we can use variable name. Okay, now let's see in the UI. See, you can see the value is getting from, we can access the value from the template file. So that's it about the interpolation. Then let's move to the property binding. The property binding allows you to set the value of an HTML element property to a property of the component. So let's remove these things. I hope you get an idea about what is happening in the interpolation. So now let's create a button, and yes, and this is the property. We can disable the button by using is disable by checking this disable variable. As you can see, it's getting an error because the program doesn't know what is this property. So we have to define that in the component class. For that, yes, this should be a boolean value. So yes, I can set it as boolean equals false. Let's try. Okay, first of all, we assign that as false. Click me. This is the name of that button. So let's go to the UI. As you can see, it's not disabled yet. So what if we change this into true, which means if this value is true, this button should be disabled. That's what we are buying from this property. So let's go and see. As you can see, the button is disabled. So that's the thing happening in the property binding. I'll explain again Property binding allows you to set the value of an HTML element property. In here we are used that disable property to a property of the component class. See in here the same value we have used here. So that's it about the property binding, and yeah, that's the way to achieve one-way data binding in Angular. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Thank you.